Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your home network with TP-Link Security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin protecting your home network with TP-Link Security, ensure your router is properly positioned. Start by accessing your TP-Link router's web interface. Open a web browser and type the router's default IP address, typically 192.168.0.1 or 192.168. Enter the admin username and password. The default credentials can usually be found on the router's label or in the manual. Once logged in, navigate to the Basic Settings section. Change the default SSID to something unique that does not identify you or your address. Next, switch to a secure Wi-Fi encryption method, preferably WPA3 or WPA2. Set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network, using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable the guest network feature if available, allowing visitors internet access without exposing your main network. Now, look for the Access Control settings in the menu. Here, you can create a list of devices allowed to connect to your network. Regularly check this list and remove any unfamiliar devices. Next, enable the firewall settings on your TP-Link router for an added layer of security. If your router supports it, turn on the intrusion prevention system to protect against potential threats. Keep your router's firmware up to date. Visit the TP-Link support website or check the firmware update section in the router settings. Schedule regular updates, ensuring your network benefits from the latest security patches. Consider using TP-Link's mobile app for easy management and alerts for unauthorized access. Finally, regularly monitor your network traffic for any unusual activity. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance the security of your home network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.